Hey y'all, welcome to Soulsome Foodie. Today we'll be making these easy 5-spice chicken lettuce wraps. The main ingredients for today's recipe are going to be some lettuce, scallion, onion, and ground chicken. The seasonings: onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, sea salt, Chinese 5-spice, garlic paste, ginger paste, toasted sesame oil, low sodium soy sauce, and sriracha. In a large pan, I'm going to go ahead and heat up some sesame oil before adding in my ginger paste and garlic paste. Now that my ginger and garlic have heated through, I'm going to go ahead and add my ground chicken to the mixture and begin cooking that down. Here I am adding in the seasonings. I'm going to give that a good mix and continue to cook the ground chicken. At this point, I'm going to go ahead and add the diced onion and scallions to the mixture. Give it a good mix and keep on cooking. Now it's time to add the soy sauce and squeeze in some sriracha. Give that a good mix and keep cooking it down. Now that the mixture is becoming more rich and getting a little thicker, I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit more soy sauce and a little more sriracha. Here's how your mixture should look when it is all done and ready. Alright y'all, now it's time for plating. I'm going to use butter lettuce as the wraps for this dish, and as you can see, I'm going to go ahead and fill each one of these. Now that they're all filled, I'm going to add an extra squeeze of sriracha to each one and then top with some scallions. Don't they look so delicious? They're spicy, they're sweet, they're so good, and the lettuce is so tasty also. Here I am taking a quick bite. So good! Thank you so much for rocking with me and staying until the end. Let me know if you try this recipe, and as always, please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.